Hello.
Hello, may I ask you some questions about your ringtone?
Yeah, sure.
What ringtone do you use?
I use a ringtone called Calling You from Outlandish.
And can you play it?
Yes, sure.
I'm calling you with all my goals, my very soul and falling through.
Yeah. It goes a little bit longer, but
Where did you find it?
basically I found it in the internet and I played on the iPhone, so it's a little bit complicated. It's just a simple MP3 that you download from the internet, and then you have to adjust it to the format of iPhone. It's a little bit complicated, but when I have time I do that.
Okay. And why do you use this ringtone? What does it mean to you?
This ringtone doesn't mean anything special to me. It's just a ringtone that sounds good maybe, and I usually, when I have some free time, then I think of a song that I like and I think that, okay, that's a good song to have it as a ringtone, so I take some time and put it on my iPhone.
Thank you for the interview.
Thank you.